California's Stanislaus National Forest contains about 2,900 miles of roads, and out of that total, about 188 miles are paved, so the rest are unpaved gravel and dirt roads that give access to the forest's rugged terrain. Most of these dirt roads are closed in winter, so when spring through fall are here, those of us who enjoyed getting off-road and into the woods, well, it's probably our favorite time of the year. I happen to live a mile or two away from the start of several of these forest roads, and recently I decided to go exploring for the day. This is the start, and we are going to go on this forest road. Let's see, what is the name of this forest road? Okay, I don't see a number on it. I'll look it up on the map and I'll put it down below. I'm going to show you what I call my secret way to the river. Stanislaus River here in California. The reason I call it secret is that a few years ago when I first found this route on a Sunday afternoon, just out exploring with my kids, the maps showed that the road ended, but it didn't. And we just, to see where it went, we went on and we found our way down to the river. I think this used to be a mining road because down by the river where it comes out are some old mine tailings. There was a lot of mining in this area, and there was a fire a few years ago on the other side of the canyon. I think they bulldozed through this and opened the road back up again. Haven't been here in a couple years. We might find it's kind of rough, so we'll see. Stanislaus National Forest has about 900,000 acres of land in the Sierra Nevada mountains of Northern California. It's spread across several counties. It borders Yosemite National Park. I happen to live a mile or two from the start of several of these forest roads. I recently decided to go exploring because my Jeep had just gotten a clutch replacement, and I thought I'd give it a shakedown cruise. I was going through withdrawals while it was in the shop, and today I had my baby back with me.
Say it's grown up a lot more, overgrown since I was here last, and I didn't bring a chainsaw, so this might be a short-lived trip today. Sorts of obstacles we have to crawl around. A couple of winters have given us.
All right, we made it. This is the South Fork of the Stanislaus River, and probably should have aired down and maybe undone my sway bars. Would have made the trip a little bit more comfortable. But coming back out of here is going to be a bit of a challenge because the road's kind of steep and loose. Anyway, let's send the drone up and show you what we got down here. I have a little screenshot of the map that shows that this is actually part of a mining claim, at least at one time. I don't know if they have kept up on it or if it's gone back to the government. You can see a couple things right here that do have mining history attached. That's obvious. Hardware. And, you know, I don't know what it was from, obviously, but pipe. Back there in the woods are piles of tailings. When I've been here before, I was not able to find any sort of a mine shaft. I have no idea how this worked. You know, whether there was a big workings here or it was just an exploratory thing. All right, let's get ready to go on up, and then I have another little place I want to take you to. Section from a couple years ago, but this is like pretty severe, and this manzanita brush, this wood is terribly hard. So now we got some goalie action going on. I'm going to go in low range just so I can go slow. Oh, great. Okay. And I've lost my low range, my ability to shift into four-wheel drive, so I'm going to do this in two-wheel drive, high range. Well, as you may have heard me saying at the time, my linkage to change from 2 high to 4 low wasn't working. The gear shifter just slid back and forth loose, obviously not hooked up to anything. I wasn't able to turn around, and suddenly I was concerned that I was going to slide into one of these deep gullies and be stuck all by myself. Turns out these Wranglers have a little plastic clip that holds the linkage on, and due to age, the plastic on mine was brittle and chose this time to fall off. Now, I'm not sure why I didn't finish the video here. I did make it to the top, and there was a sketchy looking guy in a pervy looking van that was blocking the road. No way to turn around. I had just finished reading a book about mass murderers like Jeffrey Dahmer, and I have to say my imagination ran away with me. To jump to the end of the story, apparently he wasn't interested in mass murdering me, and I made it home safe, in time for my buddy the mechanic to get the linkage back into place again. Oh, one more PS. Before going down that gully washout stretch that I showed you, I'd come across some garbage piles in the forest, abandoned vehicles and so on. I made note, some of my friends are going to go back with me and collect the garbage one of these weekends. But please, people, whether it's a soda can or a whole bag of kitchen garbage, whether you're in California, Arkansas, New York, Montana, Wyoming, wherever you are in this beautiful USA that God has given us, please don't leave trash behind. Our public lands are just too precious to trash. Thanks for watching.
Hey, check this out! This is the life! Thank you for watching, Ken, the Jeep Guy. Come back again and be sure to like and subscribe.